Vidra, Michael Ackers sent us this video of a brush fire in his backyard. He says he heard a loud lightning strike around 5 tonight and saw smoke billowing behind his home. The St. Johns County Fire Rescue says the fire was about a fourth of an acre and was quickly put out. And we heard that steady rain and thunder earlier here at the TV station.
Meteorologist Lewis Turner is here now with a look at what came through and what we can expect tomorrow. Lou?
Well, talking about tonight, we remember that first round of severe weather that came through. We're talking about the damage 4 or 5 o'clock. That was through the Mandarin, the Beauclair area, south side over towards Phillips Highway and the Avenues area. And that line, of course, has since moved off. What we're seeing here is very impressive. Strong line of showers and storms over the last few hours. Now moved offshore, and what we see behind it's clearing clouds now. But going through the remainder of our evening as we kind of zoom on in on satellite and radar, I'm just going to show you the kind of the radar picture now coming down on into that Mandarin area where we saw that damage. And I'm going to pinpoint a few areas in particular where we saw some of the worst of it. And this had all of the makings of what's called a microburst. So when we saw the big hail, this was at Clare Lane and San Jose Boulevard, where we saw large hail. So we're getting pictures of quarter-sized to golf ball size hail, and even bigger in some spots. But we've got trees down there in that particular area. Trees actually being uprooted, kind of ripped up, and then onto homes. Just down San Jose, we saw trees down onto a supermarket there, perhaps the parking lot. We had cars hit there in quarter-inch hail. Now, I bring up the hail. When you've got this size hail coming out of the cloud, coming out of the thunderstorm, it hits the ground, comes out with such force, and it's so heavy that it creates this outflow of wind when it hits the ground. That is called the microburst or the downburst, which is very likely what caused a lot of the damage there. We've seen videos of these strong winds coming in quickly, and then as quick as they moved in, they were gone, but not before damage was caused. Destiny McKeever now in Mandarin, joining us live, continuing our weather team coverage this evening with exactly what she's seen through the night. I know you saw some damage there.